We are going to analyze 5 YouTube channels with different amounts of subscribers. So just from a few thousand subscribers to channels with 100,000 subscribers or even more. And we are going to analyze how much money do they make for real. So we have got like tens of videos inside YouTube, like they are talking about how much money are they making, etc. And we have analyzed all those videos and put that data together so you can understand better how much money do they make. And after that, we are going to see how we can create also these faceless YouTube videos. So let's go into it. So the first channel we are going to see is this one, the Cine Studio. And in this channel, we can see that she has around 70k subscribers, more or less, and she has published around 100 videos. And how much money is she making with this amount of subscribers and this amount of videos? So we have seen that she's making, in just the first 3 months that she has monetized this channel, so in the first 3 months she has made, the first month she did 600 euros. The second month, in March 23, she did the same amount, more or less, just $20 up. And then on the third month already, she made more than 1,000. So she made $2,000. And this has been just in the first 3 months. So we can see that the total amount in the first 3 months, she made this amount just from YouTube AdSense. So we have to consider this. This amount of money that we are seeing right here is just for the YouTube AdSense. So the money that YouTube is going to pay you at the end of the month just from the ads that have been shown into your video. And this can differ a lot depending also in which types of videos you create, which is the topics, which is the language of the video, etc. So language and the topic, it's going to change this amount a lot, because depending on the language and depending on the topic, YouTube is going to pay us a different click per minute, a different CPM. This is the amount that YouTube is going to pay us for around 1,000 views. So for each 1,000 views, depending on the language, depending on the topic, YouTube is going to pay us a different amount. And it can go from 10 cents to $1. So it will change a lot, depending from the language, depending from the topic, etc. But we are going to see other channels. So how much have they done? So this channel, the Digital Income Project, this channel has more subscribers. So we can see here that he has around 173k subscribers with less videos. Why this difference in subscribers and videos? Probably because of the quality of the video. So it can change a lot also depending on the faceless YouTube videos that we are doing. So it changes a lot depending on the YouTube videos that we are doing. Also the more elaborated and with better scripts. So depending on how elaborated the videos are and also on the scripts. So the scripts is the most important factor to our videos. Then we are going also to get more viewers or more subscribers and everything. But how much money is this channel making? So we have analyzed also the videos where he's talking about this, and we have found that in the first year he has earned over $21,000. So this is the amount that this channel with 173k subscribers has done. But again, this is just from YouTube AdSense. At the end, we are going to see 2 channels with different topics that they talk about, and we are going to see how much money they made from AdSense from Google, that it's YouTube at the end, it's the same company, and how much money are they making doing other things, like for example affiliates. Let's go to see other YouTube videos. So this channel, Hessel, he has much less subscribers. So we can see that he has only around 3,000k subscribers and with 50 videos. So we see that we have a lot of factors to consider. The amount of videos, the amount of subscribers, and everything is going to change also from the topics we talk about, from the thumbnails that we add, from the titles that we have, from the scripts, the images, the edition that we have provided into the video, etc. But how much money is he making? So we have found that this YouTuber has two Faceless channels, and from the first one, he's making around $5,000, and from the other one, he's making around $10,000. These Faceless channels, he's making these amounts yearly, and this is also only from AdSense. So from the amount of money that YouTube pays you from those ads that you see in a YouTube video. So imagine this is the timeline from a YouTube video. So here, this rectangle, this is the timeline. And this is the full video, everything that it's included here. At the beginning, YouTube is going to add an ad, a YouTube ad. Maybe here at the middle, it's going to add another ad, and depending on the length of your video, so if it's above 15 minutes, etc., it's going to add more ads. So from the amount of ads that we have in our video, we are going to earn much or less money, and also from the amount of people that watches the ad, etc. And this is the amount from AdSense, so the videos that YouTube is including inside our video. Let's see other channels. Okay, so here we have Kickbot AI, around 15,000 subscribers, 20 videos only, and he's making, here we can see a little bit better all the financials from the channel. So this is quite interesting because here we have the money from AdSense, so the money that YouTube is going to pay us. So this is the YouTube money. And then we have other ways that he's making money. So we have the affiliates. What is affiliates? Affiliates is promoting products. So maybe he's promoting other AI tools or products from Amazon or other kind of products. So maybe another course or learning something. So all these affiliates is promoting. So we are going to promote other things. Like for example, if you promote videotalk.app, they give us like a 25% commission on every subscriber we give to the platform. So for example, we can talk about videotalk.app in one of our videos, like how to create faceless videos with videotalk.app. Then they are going to give us 25% from each person that subscribes to the product. And this is just in the first month. Like for example, if we provide a user that pays $20 each month, then for a YouTube channel then from a subscriber that stays for a year, so 20, this is going to be like $240. From this $240, we are going to earn a 25% commission each year. And that's for every user that we provide. So here we can see that affiliates is making much more money to this YouTube channel than YouTube AdSense, for example. And then we have other ways of making money. Like for example, in this channel, he's making money also with sponsorships. So what is this? Like for example, I'm sure you have seen a YouTube channel that is promoting NordVPN or Holafly or other tools. So these sponsorships, they are going to pay us some money to sponsor the company in one of our products. So these are the best free ways to earn money in YouTube. So we have AdSense, affiliates, and sponsorships, and then maybe we can provide also some courses that we have created to grow on YouTube or to other things, or we can promote our own products or other things also. So this is more or less what we can expect for a channel with 15K subscribers. So this channel is earning more than $50K just with 15K subscribers in YouTube. But let's see another channel. Probably you know this channel. This channel is much bigger. It has over 100,000 subscribers. How to AI. And he talks a lot about how to create faceless videos, how to create shorts, how to create long videos, etc. And we are going to analyze how much he is making with this channel, with this amount of subscribers. So we have here some data that the owner of the channel has provided in X, so the platform from Elon Musk, and he said that he is making 400,000K in 12 months. And how? How is he getting this amount of money just with this amount of subscribers and with this amount of views per video? The same. We have several ways to make money on YouTube. And the first one, this is AdSense. So this is the money that YouTube is going to pay us. Then we have other ways like side projects. Side projects is maybe this person has created products that is promoting in his own video. So products. Then we have affiliates. So affiliates are going to be a good way also to earn some money in YouTube. And then the last thing, an e-commerce store. So we can create our own brand, our own products and everything, and sell products. So this could be also the same as this one, but probably this one that he says side projects are more like digital products, and this one are more like physical products, etc. But we have several ways of making money, so we don't have to be like super focused only on growing our YouTube AdSense. So we can promote also other ways like products, affiliates, sponsorships, etc. So we can see that with a channel with this amount of subscribers, he's making this amount of money. And as we have seen also, if we have less subscribers like Geekbot AI is doing, we can also make some good amount of money. But how we can create these faceless channels? For example, I would like to tell you about VideoTalk. VideoTalk.app is this platform where you can create faceless videos for Reels, TikTok, Shorts, etc., but also for long horizontal videos, so that you can create videos like the channels we have been seeing right now. What I could do is I could come to VideoTalk.app, I could sign up, sign in, I already have that account, and here I'm inside the platform. Here I already can start to creating different kinds of videos. Like for example, if we want to create vertical videos, I would select the aspect ratio 9:16, and then I would talk about the topic. So how to grow on YouTube. Then I would select the content that I want to add into my video, like for example, Google Images or AI images, or a mix of real images from Google and stock videos. In this case, I'm going to go with Google Images, then the language, and then we can select which voice do we want. And then we would click on generate. Now here the AI is going to start creating the video script for us, and we can review the script, modify it, etc. And if we like the script, then we click just on accept. So here we have all the script that it's quite good. In reality, I would just accept it or modify it. If I wouldn't like the script, then in that modal that appear, we can modify it. And now the AI is going to create the full video for us that we can modify and edit later. So let's see which is the video. Great, so now our video has been created. We can see here the open video button. I can click on it, then it will load all the information, and here we have our full video. And we could go to footage and change everything. So here we could see all the images, all the videos, everything that we have in our full video. And we could modify, like for example, if I want to modify the second place, then I could search for images, videos, GIFs, or upload my own media, because I can go to YouTube, search for things, search for charts, like for example, if we want to add this chart or another design that we have done in other place, or maybe a video that we have downloaded or edited in another place, we could come here to VideoTalk and upload it here. But let's see which is the video that it has created for us. We could increase the speed. I'm going to increase it a lot so we can look at it better. Then we can add also some music to the video and everything. We could change also which are the captions. So for example, if we would like another style of captions, like for example this style, then we could change it. We could change also which are the colors to have like different style of colors and everything. But let's see the video.
Want to blow up on YouTube? Here's how. Growing on YouTube isn't just about luck. It's about strategy. First, find your niche. What are you passionate about? What can you talk about for hours?
Great. So this is the video that it has created for us. It sounds super good, the images and everything, but we can modify it and change it a lot to do it much better. So what I could do is I would come to footage here and I would add transitions to my video. Like for example, I would add these transitions, apply to all. And right now it has applied transitions to every image and every scene in my video. And then we could also add backgrounds, like this kind of animated backgrounds. So I'm going to add the red lines for all the images inside the video. And here we have, for example, now if I could play.
Want to blow up on YouTube? Here's how. Growing on YouTube isn't just about luck. It's about...
Great, we have these transitions from images with backgrounds to a video, and then again to images with a background. And we have, if I go slowly here, we can see that we have all these transitions applied automatically. So here we have also this transition, and this is done automatically for us. And then we could change the images, we could change everything. So the most important thing that at the end is the script. We could give it more time to think about the script that we are going to create and everything, or just use the predetermined script that VideoTalk gives us. And then we can modify the captions and everything, and then get everything we need to publish it on different social medias. Like for example, on YouTube, I could click here on generate, and now it's going to generate for me a title, a description, and the hashtags that I need for YouTube. And it's quite good because at the end we see this title, 7 secrets to blow up on YouTube from 0 to 1 million subscribers. So it's amazing. And this is just the bare minimum. It's what the platform is going to give us, and then we can modify it as we want. Then we could export the video, and then we can start to increase and promote our YouTube channel doing this kind of faceless videos. So hope that this has been useful, and see you in another video.